Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring KLWP Pro and the Edge UI plugin are installed, and you grant live wallpaper permission. Once done, create a new preset and set the canvas resolution and aspect ratio to match your device. This prevents scaling issues. Next, add a root group labeled Edge and enable overlap so elements can extend off-screen. This establishes the area where Edge gestures and panels will live. Make sure you save frequently so you don't lose early progress. You now create the actual Edge panels and triggers, starting with left and right overlap groups sized about 70 to 90% of the screen width, so they reveal naturally. Then add dedicated touch areas via overlap group touch and assign gestures like swipe left, swipe right, and single tap. This maps the physical interaction to actions. Next, link each panel's visibility to global switches or animation progress, and animate them using Translation X with easing for a responsive, polished effect. Test interactions as you go. You finish by polishing animations, setting durations between 200 and 400 milliseconds, and choosing cubic or quint easing so transitions feel natural. Once polished, optimize performance. Flatten nested groups, use smaller bitmaps, and avoid heavy formula loops that update every frame. This keeps battery use reasonable. If something breaks, enable a debug toggle and visually expose touch zones to identify conflicts. Then adjust z-index or expand touch areas. Finally, export or back up the preset so your work is safe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.